The most advanced semiconductor factories are cleaner than a hospital operating room by a factor of 10,000. A single speck of dust can destroy a chip worth thousands of dollars. Today you are going to see exactly how these incredible facilities are engineered from the ground up. We are talking air systems, vibration control, and machines that push the limits of human physics. The air inside a chip factory is filtered and recirculated up to 600 times per hour. Workers wear full body suits called bunny suits not to protect themselves, but to protect the chips from human skin flakes and hair. Every breath, every movement is a potential contamination event, and the engineering systems work constantly to fight that reality. The machines that print circuit patterns onto silicon use light with a wavelength shorter than 13 nanometers, which is smaller than some viruses. These extreme ultraviolet lithography machines cost around $200 million each and can only be built by one company on Earth. When you think about how many of these machines are inside a single factory, does that change how you see the price of your smartphone? Every chip factory sits on massive concrete foundations with active vibration cancellation systems built underneath. A passing truck or a small earthquake would otherwise blur the circuit patterns beyond use. The chips that come out of these buildings power everything from your laptop to fighter jets to the medical scanner that could save your life. So next time you hold a small piece of technology, remember there is a $10 billion building and thousands of brilliant engineers behind that tiny square of silicon. If this blew your mind, subscribe so you never miss a video where we break down the engineering hiding in plain sight.